I am going to show you a method which will help you to earn at least $120 per day. I am going to show you a high converting traffic source which people are not using it to earn, and this method is never revealed on my channel previously. You don't have to invest any money in it. It is nothing about paid advertising like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads because they are very costly. It is absolutely free method and you just have to do 30 minutes of work per day to earn $120, and you can spend it whatever you want. You maybe will buy a car, pay your bills, shopping, eat something good food, go out with your girlfriend, or may reinvest to make more money. So comment down below what you will do with that money. So the traffic source which I am telling you is getting more than 6 million visitors per month, which is a very large amount of traffic. And the traffic is coming from tier 1 countries. I will walk through each and every step in this video, but before that hit the like button, subscribe and share it with your friends. Now without wasting time, let's jump into the video. So first thing you have to do is select any offer you want to promote, whether it is a CPA offer or it's any affiliate offer you want. And for sake of this video, I am selecting an offer from the marketplace Digistore24 because it is worldwide available. Now as you can see, this is the Digistore24, and when I click on register now button at the top right side, and as you can see, it will bring you to this page where you can register yourself. Here you have to enter some of your basic details like email, your password. You have to select your country, and as you can see, it is selecting from all over the world. Here as you can see, there are all the countries in the world. So Digistore24 is available in whole world. Now let me log in one of my test account and let's see there. So now I am in my test account, and when you click on marketplace, it will bring you these offers at your desktop screen or your mobile, and here we select any offer we want to promote. So now we will select a very good product. Now for sake of this video, we will select this product, the ultimate keto meal, and this is the product we will going, and it will make us almost $40 for each sale we will get to bring. So we have to make only 3 sales per day to make $120, and we will reach our goal. And now as you can see, there are some basic details of this product, and there are some of its pages like sales page. Now let's check the sales page, because when sales page is good, then it have chance so that your customer will convert and they make purchase and you got your affiliate commission. So as you can see, this is very attractive and nice sales page, and as you can see, there is a video. So let me tell you a thing, that video sales page are converting very huge amount. These video sales page are very good, and you should find a product in which there is a video on the sales page so that you have chance of more conversion. You can also check its affiliate page. It will provide you more resources which will help you to promote this product and make more money, and you can contact with the seller for some basic details about this product. Now when you click on promote now button, then it will give your unique affiliate link dedicated to this affiliate product, which will track your earnings. When you copy it, then go to a website called bit.ly.com. Here we will shorten our unique affiliate link because it is not looking good. So when you go to this website, then paste your affiliate link here and click on shorten button, and it will give you a unique affiliate link which is shortened, and when you click on copy, then it will copy into your clipboard. So the main part of this video is now going on, so watch it very carefully and don't skip any part. So the traffic source which I'll tell you earlier, that which is getting millions of traffic per month, is answers.com. Here as you can see, this is answers.com, and this website getting millions of traffic per month, and basically it is a question answering website similar to Quora. Here people are asking questions and you have to chance to give them answers, problem of a solution of their problem, and make money by helping them. So head over to answers.com, register for their absolutely free, and you can answer to the people. Now let me search a question on how to lose weight by keto meal, because we will promoting a product in keto niche, as you know that. So let me find a question in this niche, and here as you can see, there are many questions around in this answer, and in this question basically there, as you can see, there are thousands and lot of question asking on answers.com, and you have potential to answer all of these questions and put your affiliate link. And I will also show you later in this video that how you can get your answer in front of these and how you will write a unique article so you don't get any copyright issue also. So for getting an answers, for getting answer for these question, first of all you have to go to google.com and search any keyword or search any article around your niche. Now my niche is keto niche, so I will search on Google how to lose weight by keto diet, and here as you can see I'm finding a good article in this niche, and this is the article we will use to give our customer and give our affiliate link. So let me copy some of its portion, because for this video I'm not want to make this video very long, so I'm copying a very small part of this video. And the next step, you have to go to the website called quillbot.com. This tool will help you to paraphrase your article and rewrite it so you don't get any copyright issue. So when you paste it your article here, and when you click on the button paraphrase, then it will give you a unique article of the pre-written article. Now as you can see, this is our unique article it gives us. Now let me copy it and I will show you the next step where you have to do it, and when you send it to the customer how to answer I will show you later in the video, so watch it. Now let me copy it. Now head over to answers.com, and here you will find a button of answer, and you will give answer to that question and put your shortened affiliate link of bit.ly so that you will also make money from it. Now the next step, if you will put some images inside your answer, then your answer will look very attractive and it have more chance to convert the people. So for getting images for your answer, head over to pexels.com, and Pexels is a stock footage website where you will get stock footage for free and without any copyright issue. Now let me find a image in this my niche, which is weight loss, so I will search weight loss, and as you can see there are many images and there are also some videos here. Now let me find a good my image for this video, so let's choose this image, and when I click on this download button, then it will download in my PC, and you can also do this in your phone and it will immediately download in my PC. Now go to answers.com. here you can upload your image and make your article or answer very pretty, and answers.com have high potential to rank on the Google, so put your affiliate link inside and it will rank on the Google, or it will give answers to the public and it will help you to make money. And remember, we will get $40 for each sale we made, and we need only 3 sales per day, which is not more amount. So now let me quickly remind you all the steps. So first you have to find the offer from Digistore24, get your link, shorten it by bit.ly.com, and you will have your unique affiliate link shorten. Then head over to answers.com, the website which will we use to answer the questions and make money. And for answering you have to find the article from Google, rewrite it with the help of quillbot.com, and get images from pexels.com and make your unique article and unique answer and post on answer.com, which will start getting traffic for you. So just take action and you will definitely make money from this video. And in my description of this video you will get some useful video links which will help you to make more money, and some resources that which will help you. So it's all about for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you in some of the next videos. Take care. Bye.